So we don't have internal subject matter experts who can do this work. Our product managers won't post. Our engineers refuse to open up LinkedIn. I hear this pushback when talking about getting employees posting about their work on LinkedIn, and today I'm going to tell you exactly what to do about it. After I published the source signal stack framework, the most common response I got was basically, great, but we can't activate our internal employees. For many B2B companies, that's pretty fair. It's the reality. Trying to force hesitant employees into a creator role usually backfires because you end up with lackluster posts, resentful employees, and inconsistent output that actually weakens your signal. The good news is that there's a second path through layer 3 of the source signal stack that doesn't require any of your employees to become content creators. The fix is partnering with specialized external B2B creators and thought leaders who already publish consistently, already have a defensible point of view in your category, and have an audience of your ideal customers on platforms like LinkedIn. These aren't generic influencers. A specialized B2B creator, in the sense that matters for layer 3, has 4 things: a specific and defensible point of view on a narrow slice of your category, an engaged audience of your actual target customers, not just a high follower count, a consistent publishing track record because the data shows that 75% of authors cited on LinkedIn post at least 5 times a month, and LLM could cross-verify topically, so it's focused, specific, with a real point of view, very humanity-rich. So here's why external creators actually work as layer 3 signals. They sit further from brand control than your internal employee subject matter experts do, which means LLMs probably weigh them more heavily on independence checks. They already have an engaged audience you'd otherwise have to build from scratch, and they publish at a cadence that your subject matter experts almost certainly can't match. And their content is already inside the training data that LLMs use. So the data here backs this up. LinkedIn's 2025 research found that 82% of B2B decision makers say creator content influences their purchasing decisions, and 74% of decision makers consider thought leadership more trustworthy than traditional marketing materials. This is a big shift, and I feel like this is B2C coming over to the B2B world. B2C has known this for a long time. So B2B buyers already trust external creators more than brand messaging. We know this. AI systems are built to evaluate much in the same way. Now, I want to be honest here. Internal subject matter experts have something that those external creators structurally just can't replicate. They have deep proprietary access to your product, your customers, your internal data. So when your senior engineer publishes a teardown of how you solved kind of a thorny technical problem, nobody outside the company could have written that. That uniqueness is a citation magnet. It's pure gold for LLMs. But external creators bring different advantages. So structural independence, they're a separate entity, an existing audience, and publishing cadence that they own. Neither is a path that's strictly better than the other. They're just different layers for the same job. So for a lot of companies, the most powerful version is actually a hybrid, so a mix of the two. Your internal subject matter experts anchor the program with proprietary first-party content that nobody else could write, and then external creators sit next to that work. So they're cross-referencing it in their own posts, they're working with you to co-author research, and discussing their takes in the comment sections across what are essentially public forums like LinkedIn and YouTube, also Reddit. So external creators function as a force multiplier here and as an independence amplifier, not a replacement. Again, the hybrid makes a lot of sense. The bottom line here is that 94% of B2B buyers used an LLM during their buyer journey in 2025. Only 22% though of marketers currently track their AI visibility, and I think that that's going up every day. So the brands building layer 3 and have that footprint that they're establishing now, whether it's internal, external, or this hybrid model that I just talked about, these are the companies that have an opportunity to get cited while their competitors are still arguing about whether or not AEO is real. If the choice right now is external creators or nothing, external creators are absolutely the move. Start now and iterate as you go.